Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet section. Following that, tap on Edit under Current Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Pumpkin. To discard your new name, select Cancel, and to save it, tap on Done. I will go with Save, so when I click, as you can see, name of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!